amidst the lush green forests of Ba Hills, where mist merges with mountains to paint a magnificent picture of nature. Here, an extraordinary architectural work has come to life, standing out amidst the wilderness and the sky, the Golden Bridge. The Golden Bridge, also known as CSU Vang, is one of the most iconic architectural landmarks, not only of Da Nang but of all Vietnam. Perched at an altitude of 1,414 meters above sea level, this bridge is not just an architectural marvel, but a perfect destination for those seeking to conquer the breathtaking natural beauty of Ba Na Hills. When designing the Golden Bridge, we wanted to create a structure that was not only beautiful but also harmonized with nature, a symbol that is both powerful and graceful. That's why the image of the giant hands was chosen as the highlight of the bridge, a way to express the connection between humans and nature. Spanning 150 meters in length, the Golden Bridge gracefully curves through the sky, evoking the image of a golden silk ribbon held aloft by two giant stone hands. The bridge's surface is made of stainless steel plated with gold, making it shimmer under the sunlight. The massive stone hands that appear to cradle the bridge are the unique feature that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who beholds it. Walking along the Golden Bridge is an unforgettable experience. Beneath your feet lies the lush green valley, and ahead, the endless expanse of sky and clouds, making all the worries of life seem to melt away. Many visitors cannot hide their emotions when standing on this bridge. It feels like walking among the clouds, in an infinite space. The Golden Bridge not only attracts tourists from all over the world but has also become a source of inspiration for many artists. Numerous paintings, photographs, and even films have featured this bridge, thanks to its impressive beauty and the profound symbolism it carries, the connection between humans and nature. The Golden Bridge is not merely a bridge but a symbol of aspiration, the connection between humans and nature, between modernity and tradition. The bridge stands as a testament to what can be achieved when humanity respects and collaborates with nature to create something both beautiful and enduring. In the evenings, as the golden sunlight bathes the bridge, the Golden Bridge becomes a perfect painting, where humanity, architecture, and nature blend into one. Amidst the vast expanse of Ba Na Hills, the bridge silently stands as a symbol of eternal beauty.